Proper nouns. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place or thing. Proper nouns. A proper noun is the name of a particular or specific person, place or thing. Vijaya goes to St. Xavier's High School in Ongole. Vijaya goes to St. Xavier's High School in Ongole. Here the words that begin with capital letters are proper nouns. All proper nouns will begin with capital letters. Ongole, Hyderabad, Chinnaganjam, Teja, America, Veena. Names of the days or days of the week are proper nouns. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Begins with capital letters. Names of countries and people who belong to that particular country are proper nouns. India, Indians. America, Americans. Russia, Russians. Britain, British. Proper nouns begins with capital letters. Names of festivals are proper nouns. Proper nouns begins with capital letters. Sankranti, Christmas, Deepavali, Muharram. Names of languages are proper nouns. Telugu, Hindi, English, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada. Months of the year are proper nouns. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Names of great buildings are proper nouns. The Red Fort, the Charminar, the Taj Mahal, the White House. Titles of books are proper nouns. The Bhagavad Gita, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible. Names of newspapers are proper nouns. The Hindu, the Indian Express. Names of religions and people who belong to particular religion are proper nouns. Sikhism, Sikhs. Hinduism, Hindus. Buddhism, Buddhists. Christianity, Christians. The pronoun I is a proper noun. I study in class 5. I have many friends. Examples of proper nouns. I went to Mumbai last March. Here I, Mumbai and March are proper nouns. So I wrote here proper nouns first letter in capital letters. Veena's dog's name is Brownie. Veena and Brownie are proper nouns. So we wrote Veena, V in Veena, B in Brownie in capital letters. The train Krishna Express is very late today. Krishna Express is a proper noun. Teja went to Hyderabad on Friday. Here Teja, Hyderabad and Friday are proper nouns. The British people ruled India for many years. The British and India are proper nouns here. So I wrote first letter of the proper nouns in capital letters. Common nouns. A common noun is the name used for any unspecified person, place or thing of the same class or group. Common nouns. Examples: village, girl, boy, book, car, table, pencil, city, bird, student and teacher are common nouns. We usually write common nouns in small letters unless they are used in the first word of a sentence. Here we wrote all the common nouns first letter in small letters. All common nouns will have singular and plural forms. We must use a or an or the with the singular nouns. Examples: please buy book for me. This is wrong. Please buy a book for me. This is correct sentence. Eat apple daily. This is wrong sentence. Eat an apple daily is correct. Call man here. This is wrong sentence. Call the man here is the right sentence. Examples of common nouns. Many people came from the village. Here, people and village are common nouns. The train will leave the station soon. Here, train and station are common nouns. A dog is sleeping on the road. Here, dog and road are common nouns. Countable nouns. Nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. All countable nouns will have singular and plural forms. Countable nouns are also often called concrete nouns. A concrete noun is something which can be seen, touched or felt. We can experience with our five senses: taste, touch, sight, hearing or smell. We must use a, an or one before a countable or concrete singular noun. A flower, a table, a book, an elephant, an apple, one towel, one picture, one room. She put the book on the table. The noun book: touch it, see it, maybe even smell it. This music always makes me happy. You can hear, can't be touched. Uncountable nouns. Nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns do not have plural forms. We do not use a, an and one with uncountable nouns, but we must use some, any, plenty of, a little, no, etc. with them. Some of the commonly used uncountable nouns are water, sugar, wisdom, music, luggage, air, sand, oxygen, oil, truth, meat, news, gold, snow, cotton, beauty, rice, tea, milk, wood, smoke, blood, iron, ice, coffee, dust, food, health, bread, money, butter, liberty, education, furniture, justice, and knowledge. With uncountable nouns, we must use only singular verbs such as is or was, has or had, does or did, and s ending verbs. Examples of uncountable nouns. All news are good. This is wrong sentence. All news is good. This is correct. Musics are enjoyable. This sentence is wrong. Music is enjoyable. This is right. Her hairs are beautiful. This is wrong. Her hair is beautiful. This is right. She has many works to do. This is wrong. She has much work to do. This is right. I kept 2 breads on the table. This is wrong. I kept some bread on the table, or I kept 2 slices or loaves of bread on the table is correct. Material nouns. Material nouns are names of some substance or matter out of which something is made. Material nouns: gold, silver, paper, silk, marble, clay, and wood. Material nouns do not have plural forms. We should not say woods, golds, silks, cottons, clays, wools, etc. Examples of material nouns: the pots are made of clays. This is the wrong expression. The pots are made of clay. This is the right expression. These chains are made of golds. This is the wrong expression. These chains are made of gold. This is the right expression. These bottles are made of glasses. This is the wrong expression. These bottles are made of glass. This is the right expression. These sweaters are made of wools. This is the wrong expression. These sweaters are made of wool. This is the right expression. Material nouns are considered to be singular in form and they take a singular verb. Marble is sold here. This wood is of poor quality. Plenty of cotton is grown here. Iron is a hard metal. In these sentences, is a singular verb. Correct the sentences. Golds are used to make these chains. This is wrong. Gold is used to make these chains. This is correct. Irons are costly nowadays. Iron is costly nowadays. Glasses are used to make mirrors. This is wrong. Glass is used to make mirrors. This is right. Woods are used for furniture. This is wrong. Wood is used for furniture. This is right. Compound nouns. A compound noun is a noun that is made up of two or more words. Most compound words are formed by nouns modified by other nouns or adjectives. Compound nouns can be formed in three ways. First one, open or spaced. Bus stop, space between words. Hyphenated, hyphen between words. Mother-in-law. Closed or solid. Football. No space or hyphen between the words. Examples of compound nouns. Can we use the swimming pool? They stop the work at sunset. She is my mother-in-law. Here swimming pool, sunset and mother-in-law are compound nouns. Most compound nouns are made from the following components. Noun plus noun. Bedroom. Water tank. Motorcycle. Printer cartridge. Adjective plus noun. Greenhouse. Software. Red head. Verb plus adverb. Take off. Draw back. Look out. Adverb plus noun. Onlooker. Bystander. Adjective plus verb. Dry cleaning. Public speaking. Verb plus noun. Washing machine. Driving license. Swimming pool. Noun plus adverb. Hanger on. Passerby. Noun plus verb. Train spotting. Rainfall. Haircut. Adverb plus verb. Output. Overthrow. Upturn. Input. Abstract nouns. An abstract noun is the name of an idea or a quality We cannot see or touch it, but we can understand it. Examples of abstract nouns: joy, truth, honesty, wisdom, happiness, beauty, wealth, peace, sincerity, faithfulness. Abstract nouns can be formed from adjectives: sad, sadness, angry, anger, wise, wisdom, cheerful, cheerfulness, strong, strength. Abstract nouns can be formed from verbs: believe, belief, admit, admission, choose, choice, die, death, collect, collection, decide, decision, judge, judgment, serve, service, speak, speech. Abstract nouns can be formed from common nouns: friend, friendship, child, childhood, mother, motherhood, thief, theft, minister, ministry, owner, ownership, agent, agency, slave, slavery, infant, infancy. Examples of abstract nouns: honesty will bring joy. Here, honesty and joy are abstract nouns. We enjoy beauty. Here, beauty is an abstract noun. Freedom brings happiness. Here, happiness is an abstract noun. Slavery must be abolished. Here, slavery is an abstract noun. We must cultivate good friendship. Here, friendship is an abstract noun. Collective nouns. A collective noun refers to a group or collection of persons or things. Examples of collective nouns: school, bouquet, cattle, family, bundle, bunch, team, club, committee, management, gang, fleet, head, cluster, crowd, jury, class, and staff. Examples of collective nouns: a head of cattle is in the field. Here, head is a collective noun. A bunch of keys is lost. Here, bunch is a collective noun. A gang of thieves is arrested. Here, gang is collective noun. Our team will play today. Here, team is a collective noun. A long queue is there. Here, queue is a collective noun.